Namaste students. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 1. Prathamaha Padhaha Shuchi Paryavaranam. The poem is borrowed from the poetry book Lasalattika, composed by modern poet Sri Haridatta Sharma. In this poem, the poet is worried about the pollution which is caused due to the industrialization and development activities. The poet expresses that the symbol of industrialization, the black iron wheel, exploits the mind and the body of human beings. Because of the factories, the atmosphere, the environment on the earth has become polluted. The poet doesn't want to live in such bad condition, and so he wishes to move away from the metro cities and wants to be with the rivers, springs, trees, creepers, and into the dense forest, which is resonated by the chirping of the birds. Students, I will give you the Anvay and explanation in English and the meanings of the difficult words of these 7 shlokas. So let us start with the first shlok. Durvaham atra jeevitam jatam prakritireva sharanam shuchi paryavaranam महानगर मध्ये चलद अनीशम कालाय सचक्रम मनः शोषयत तनुः पेशयत भ्रमति सदा वक्रम दुर्दान्तैर्दशनैरमूना स्यान्नैव जनग्रसनम् शुचिपर्यावरणम्. Now see the difficult words. Durvaham means difficult. Mana means mind. Jeevitam means life. Shoshayat means rise. Jatam means has become. Tanuhu means the body. Shuchi means pure. Mahanagar, metro cities. Vakram, curved. Chalat, while moving. Durdantai means dangerous. Anisham means the day and night. Dashanahi means the teeth. Kalayasa chakram means the black iron wheel. Amuna means by this. Sap means may become. Peshayat means grinding. Now we will see the Anvay. Atra Jeevitam Durvaham Jatam. Atra Jeevitam Durvaham Jatam Prakritihi Eva Sharanam शुचि पर्यावरणम एव शरणम. महानगर मध्ये कालाय सचक्रम अनिशम चलत मनः शोषयत तनुः पेशयत सदा वक्रम भ्रमति अमुना दुर्दान्तैः दशनैः जनग्रसनम न एव स्यात्. Now see the meaning in English. Here in the city the life has become difficult. Nature is only shelter, which means the clean environment is only our abode. In the metro cities, the black iron wheel means the vehicles. This symbolizes the vehicles. They are running day and night, which are drying up the mind and grinding the body and always hanging around. These means these thing, they are always hanging around the mind and body. So to avoid the destruction of the people from the dangerous fangs of the wheel, the clean environment, the clean nature is only our shelter. The next shloka is कज्जलमलिनं धूमं मुञ्चति शतशकटीयानं बाष्पयानमाला सन्धावति वितरन्ति ध्वानं यानानां पङ्क्तयो ह्यनन्तः कठिनं संसरणं शुचिपर्यावरणम् शुचिपर्यावरणम्. The meanings of the difficult words are Vitaranti, spreads, Dhumam, smoke, Dhvanam, noise, Munchati, releases, then Kajjalamalilam, black like collyrium, mascara, Yatayat means the vehicles, Shatashakatiyanam, the hundreds of vehicles, Panktayaha, the lines, Bashpayanmala, the trains, then Sandhavati, runs, Anantaha, uncountable, Katinam, difficult, Sansaranam is movement. The Anvay is Adyatve Deshe Shatashakati Yanam Kajjala Malinam Dhumam Munchati. Bashpayanamala Dhvanam Sandhavati Vitaranti. Yananam Anantaha Panktayaha Hi Yena Katinam Sansaranam Shuchi Paryavaranam. The meaning in English: nowadays hundreds of vehicles are releasing black poisonous smoke, which is dark like collyrium. Various noisy trains are running in all the directions. Uncountable vehicles are on the roads where the movement of human being has become difficult. So to avoid this, one should take shelter in the clean environment. Now we will move towards the third shloka. Vayumandalam bhusham dushitam nahi nirmalam jalam kutsita vastu mishritam bhaksham samalam dharatalam karaniyam bahirantara jagati tu bahu shuddhikaranam शुचिपर्यावरणम् शुचिपर्यावरणम्. Now we'll see the difficult words. Dharatalam means the earth, Dushritam means polluted, Jagati means in this world, Kutsitam means bad, Bahu means very much, Bhaksham means the eatable, Shuddhikaranam means purity, Samalam means polluted, Bhrusham means very much. Now we will see the Anvay. Adya Vayumandalam Bhrusham Dushitam Nirmalam Jalam hi na Dharatalam Kutsita Vastu Mishritam Samalam Bhaksham Antarjagati tu Nirmalam Karaniyam Bahu Shuddhi Karanam. The meaning in English is: the whole atmosphere has become polluted. The water bodies have become impure. The eatables are also contaminated by poisonous things, and the whole earth has become impure. So we should remove these impurities and should clean our body and mind. So one should take shelter of clean environment. For everything, for getting everything clean and pure, we have to move towards the clean environment. Now shlok number 4. Kanchit kalam nayamam asman nagarat bahuduram prapashyami gramante nirjhara नदीपयः पुरम् एकान्ते कान्तारे क्षणमपि मे स्यात् सञ्चरणम् शुचिपर्यावरणम् शुचिपर्यावरणम्. The Anvay is Kanchit kalam mam asmat nagarat bahuduram naya aham gramante निर्झरा नदी पयः पुरम प्रपश्यामि एकांते कांतारे क्षणमपि मम मे संचरणं स्यात् शुचि Paryavaranam. The difficult words are Ekante, in a secluded forest or secluded place. Kalam, time. Kantare, in the forest. Nayam is take me. Kshanamapi, for a while. Bahuduram, far. Syat, may. Nirjara, nadi, springs and rivers. Sancharanam, roaming, wandering. Payahapuram means pond which is filled with water. Now the meaning in English. Take me away for a while, very far from this city. I wish to see the springs and the rivers filled with water on the boundary of the village. For a moment, I wish to roam in the secluded forest. Now, fifth shloka. Harita tarunam lalita latanam mala ramaniya kusumavalihi samira chalita syanme varaniya navamalika rasalam milita ruchiram sangamanam Shuchiparyaavaranam. Shuchiparyaavaranam. The Anvay is Harita Tarunam Lalita Latanam Ramaniya Mala Samira Chalita Kusumavalihi Me Varaniya Syat Rasalam Navamalika Ruchiram Sangamanam Milita Shuchi Paryavaranam. The meaning of difficult words are Harita Taruna, of the green trees, Lalita Latana, of the beautiful creepers, then Ramaniya, beautiful, Kusumavali means the flowers, Samira Chalita, that is which is blown by the wind or air, Milita, make it, Ruchiram, beautiful, Sangamanam, meeting, Kusumavali, that is the bouquet of flower, then Rasalam, mango, Varaniya, I may get. Now the meaning, complete meaning in English. The garlands of green trees and beautiful creepers, similarly the bouquet of flowers which are shaken by the wind may become darling to me. The newly ripe tasty mangoes may come to me. The sixth shloka is Aichal bandho khagakula kalarava gunjita vana pradesham purakalarava sambramita janebhyo dhruta sukha sandesham chakachikya jalam no kuryat jivita rasaharanam Shuchiparyaavaranam. Shuchiparyaavaranam. The Anvay is He Bandho Khaga Kula Kalarava Gunjita Vanapradesham Chala Pura Kalarava Sambramita Janebhyaha Dhruta Sukha Sandesham Chakachikya Jalam Jivitam Rasaharanam Na Kuryat Shuchi Paryavaranam. The meanings of the difficult words are Bandho, O my brother, Khagakula Kalarava, that is the sound of chirping birds, chirping of the birds, Gunjita Vana Desham, resonated forest, Purakalarava, from the noise of the city, Sambramita Janebhyaha, For the confused people, Dhruta Sukha Sandesha, the message of happiness, Kuryat, may do, Jivita Rasaharanam, that is the essence of life, Chakachikke Jalam, that is dazzling world, Chala, come. Now the meaning in English is, oh my brother, let's move to the forest, which is resonated by the chirping of the birds, group of the birds, the chirping of the group of the birds. Share the message of happiness, of patience among the people of the city who are disillusioned by the noise of the city life. Dazzling world should not deviate the essence of life. So one must take shelter to the clean environment, or one must go towards the clean environment. Now the seventh shloka. Prastaratale latatarugulmaha no bhavantu pishtaha पाषाणी सभ्यता निसर्गे स्यान्न समाविष्टा मानवाय जीवनं कामये नो जीवन मरणम् शुचि पर्यावरणम् शुचि पर्यावरणम्. The Anvay is Lata Taru Gulmaha प्रस्तरतले न पिष्टाः भवन्तु निसर्गे पाषाणी सभ्यता समाविष्टा न स्यात् अहम मानवाय जीवनं कामये जीवन मरणं न शुचि पर्यावरणम्. Now the meanings of difficult words are prastaratale, under the stone, lata taru gulmaha, creepers, trees and the bushes, Syat, may, Samavishta, prevail, Pishta, grinded, Pashani, Sabhyata, sinister civilization, that is the jungle of concrete, Nisarge, in the world, in the nature, Kamaye, I hope, I desire, Jivan Maranam, the end of the life. Now the meaning in English. The creepers, trees and bushes should not get crushed under the stone. The sinister civilization should not prevail in the nature. I always desire for the life of human being and not for the end of their life. So to avoid all these things, one must take shelter in the clean environment. One must always move towards the clean environment. So student, in this way we have completed this lesson, and in the next part of the video I will explain the grammar and the question answer. Till then, Punarmilamah.